Students, today we will see about the adrenal gland and its function. So, adrenal gland. This gland is also known as life-saving gland. This gland is also known as life-saving gland and also known as what? The 4S gland. Why we say it 4S gland? Because it is balancing salt, sugar, sex and steroid. Salt, sugar, sex and steroid. That's why we say it what? A 4S gland. Now thing is that where this adrenal gland is located, it is located on the upper pole of each kidney. Where it is located? Upper pole of each kidney. So these are the kidneys. On its upper pole a gland is situated known as what? The adrenal gland. Because it is situated on the upper surface of the kidney, that's why we say it what? A suprarenal gland. The gland which is present on the upper surface of kidney. Next is what? The internal structure of this gland. We say that the adrenal gland is having a particular structure which is made up of different layers. So the outermost covering of this gland is known as what? The capsule, and which is made up of the adipose tissue. Inside it a region is present known as what? The cortex, which is forming 80% part of this gland, and it is developed from the renal tissue. Renal stands for the kidney, so it is made up from the renal tissue. And another layer which is present inside it what? The medulla. It is forming the 20% part of this gland, and it is developed from the neural tissue. Neural stands for the tissue which is under the control of your brain. So these are the two particular regions of this particular gland. Now this gland, if we taking a section of it, we see that it is again divided into a particular sections, and the outermost layer of this cortex region is known as what? The zona glomerulosa. Below it present a layer known as what? The zona fasciculata, and below it present a layer known as what? The zona reticularis. So zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata and zona reticularis. Now this zona glomerulosa is forming a group of hormones known as what? The mineralocorticoids. What are the name? Mineralocorticoids, and the key hormone in this mineralocorticoid is what? The aldosterone, which is responsible for the water and electrolyte balance in the body. Next layer, that is what? The zona fasciculata, is forming a group of hormones known as what? The glucocorticoids, and in this the peculiar hormone is what? The cortisols, and it provides a stress signal to the brain and combat the body with the external excessive stress. And below it again a layer is present known as what? The zona reticularis, which is forming a group of hormone known as what? The sex steroids, and these sex steroids help into the reproduction process. So these are the three layers of the cortex region and the hormones formed by it. Below it again a layer is present known as what? The medulla layer. What is that? Medulla layer, and it is forming some hormones known as what? The epinephrine and norepinephrine, and these hormones are responsible to give a signal which is related to fight and flight response. Likewise, if any adverse conditions come in front of an human being, then what kind of response is represented by that particular human being. Another thing is that this zona glomerulosa is under the control of certain hormones, and those hormone is what? The ACTH, adenocorticotropic hormone, and another is what? The aldosterone second. These two are controlling this zona glomerulosa layer, and this medulla region is under the control of what? Sympathetic nervous system. So it's all about the adrenal gland. If you give me 2 minutes, I am going to summarize this part very fast. So students, what we have seen today? We have seen the adrenal gland. What is the another name of this gland? Life-saving gland. Okay. Another name, 4S gland. Why 4S? Because it is controlling what? The sex, sugar, salt and steroid. Where it is located? Located on the upper pole of each kidney. Upper pole of each kidney. Okay. And it is also known as what? The suprarenal gland. Why suprarenal gland? Because it is present on the upper surface of the kidney. Now we will see the internal structure, which are the layers present in this gland. So outermost is what? The capsule or adipose tissue. Below it present what? The cortex region, and below it present what? The medulla region. The cortex region is again having three layers. What is what? The zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. Okay, these are the three layers, and these layers are forming certain group of hormones. The zona glomerulosa is forming a group of hormone known as what? The mineralocorticoids. Key hormones for the aldosterone, responsible for the water and electrolyte retention. Next is what? The zona fasciculata. This is forming what? The glucocorticoid, and forming what? A stress hormone cortisol. which is responsible for giving a stress signal. Third layer is forming what the zona reticularis. It is forming what are sex steroids, and it is helping in the reproduction process. And the last part, that is what the medulla region, is forming what the two hormones epinephrine and norepinephrine, which give you a fight and flight response. Thank you.